Korean ramens are famous for their spicy taste, but there are non-spicy Korean ramens. Number 1 is Chapagetti. Chapagetti is so much loved by Koreans and ranked second in best-selling ramen in Korea, although it is not yet very popular to non-Koreans. The name comes from jjajangmyeon and spaghetti. Jjajangmyeon is Korean Chinese noodle famous for its black sauce. It has a sweet salty taste based on fermented soybean. Inside are soy meat and vegetable, and they add a lot more flavor to the sauce. This is one of the rare Korean ramens without soup. Chapagetti is also available for packet ramen. Number 2 is Sarigomtang. Sari is noodle and gomtang is beef bone soup, so the name means noodles in the beef bone soup. You may know Seolleongtang, which is a different name for gomtang. Technically, they are slightly different, but even Koreans don't differentiate them. This soup is very good with green onion, so this packet has lots of them. The soup is milky, creamy, and savory. And you might find it similar to tonkotsu ramen soup, which use pork and pork bones. But gomtang mainly use ox bones, and the soup has no fat. Sarigomtang is also available for packet ramen. Number 3 is Twigim Udong. Twigim Udong means tempura udon. So this is the Korean cup noodle version of Japanese tempura udon. Inside are full of tempura bits, seaweeds, slice of fish cakes, and vegetables. Soup is a typical udon soup, salty and savory with soy sauce base. It is non-spicy ramen, but it has a tiny hint of chili powder. Noodles are not exactly udon noodle, but they are much thicker than average instant ramen, and they are quite satisfactory. Twigim Udong is a steady seller and quite popular in Korea. The number 1 reason, it is for younger children and people without spice tolerance. The number 2 reason, even Koreans are getting tired of spicy foods all the time. Twigim Udong is only available for cup noodles. Number 4 is Saewutang Myun. The name means shrimp ramen soup. Inside are shrimp, fish cakes, vegetables, and seaweed. It is considered non-spicy ramen in Korea, but I must say it can be a little bit spicy for some people. So the export packet says spicy shrimp cup noodles. The broth has savory shrimp and seafood flavors. Saewutang Myun has been loved by Koreans more than 30 years and always ranked in top 10 best-selling cup noodles in Korea. Saewutang Myun is only available for cup noodles. Number 5 is Jin Ramen Mild. You may know Jin Ramen Spicy. This is its twin brother with a milder taste. First of all, I love its noodles. Jin Ramen is my personal best when it comes to noodles. Soup is typical Korean ramen broth without fiery spicy. For Korean, Jin Ramen Mild is for all ages, so even small children can have it. Jin Ramen Mild is also available for packet ramen. 안녕!